Good morning everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So starting with Euro USD as we usually do, and kind of an up and down day yesterday. So we obviously got the CPI data out, which was higher than what was expected, and the market reacted accordingly. But as far as I'm concerned, you can see we do have quite a bit of support to the downside here. Just want to put that in there so we can see it there. If we come down to the hour, that'll give you the opportunities that we do have. So first things first, you can see yesterday we had the nice pin bar off structure, ran away. You would have thought waiting for the next pullback opportunity to buy into this, and then we sort of came all the way back down to where we kind of touched yesterday, and it looks like we're coming back in that area at the moment. So for me at the moment, this is range bound. I'm going to want to see us. I'm going to want to see some real structure before jumping in on this. So touch and go as far as I'm concerned. We could very well just bounce off here back to the upside if we want to believe that we're going to trade what the data says. Alternatively, there's some other agenda afoot, and we're not aware of that. So for me, we do have another area here. So we need to watch this 155 EMA. See what happens here. So if we can reject this again in the European session, then I'd want to see us get below 11386 for an opportunity to tag down here at 113,460. So yeah, it's kind of confusing at the moment. Really don't want to be trading when we big up, big down like that in a day. So we'll wait and see what transpires. Obviously a break here, a retest, then we can start looking for opportunities to the downside, which would indicate dollar strength. US dollar Japanese yen, kind of a little bit of a different picture. The hints that we got yesterday really played out. You can see this was the level I said to you we needed to break, and that was 115,623. We have broken it, and for me, we've got a double bottom validation, and then we've got the little cup and handle validation, or even a big cup and handle, or even a head and shoulders. There's a little shoulder, double head, big shoulder there. So we want to pull back onto 115,623. That's basically what we're looking for. We're looking for a pullback back into this area. Come and test this area for an opportunity to buy into this at the moment. So this trend is up, so dollar strength is very much in play here. So I would assume that we're going to get Euro USD following suit sometime, probably maybe not today, but sometime in the next 2 weeks. Moving on to British pound Japanese yen, and this one is pretty much a similar kind of scenario here. We've got shoulder, head, shoulder. We've got a head and shoulders break, a nice clean break above it. Looking for a retest of 156,857. Oscillators are really oversold at the moment. Overbought, and for as long as they stay overbought, I'd be cautious of jumping into this. So what we're looking for again is structure. If we look at the hourly oscillators, a different picture. So this is the area we should be paying attention to. That's 156,875. Pull back onto here, start getting this kind of price action, pin bars, inside bars like that, or engulfing bars like that. Definitely worth looking for a trade there to the upside. Lastly, Euro British pound. Just leaving it on the hour here because we had a flag here yesterday. We had a nice break of the flag and we were anticipating a move to the upside. That failed miserably, and you can see how that failed. So just to give you an indication of how I start trading this kind of stuff is first thing I do is just get rid of all the noise because we got the call wrong. Get back to the 8 hour and have a look at it at the bigger picture on the 8 hour. Here we see a bigger flag forming. So there is what is the flag. Alternatively, you can see it could also be seen as a flat bottom triangle. Oscillators are indicating that it is potentially a flag. So what we want to do, and we need to look for the nearest bit of structure, and I'm going to do this. There's one there, and there's one there, and there's a little one further down. Okay, so you can see I'm picking up these highs. I'm picking up that swing high there because that would validate a double bottom. We're kind of below that at the moment, so ignore that one for now, delete it. The next one is this tail here, and you can see it lines up with some of the moving averages, and then the bigger one is further down. So for me, if we come down to the 1 hour, what we're looking for is to see what transpires here at 084019, and if that fails, then we're looking to see what transpires at 083781. But at the moment, we do have a moving average crossover. We are hovering on the 155 EMA, and bear in mind on the higher time frames, let's go back there, we often break above the 155 and then basically drop below it. So we very rarely find support here. Doesn't mean we don't need to look for it, because there's always that chance. So that's kind of the view I've got there. So summary, Forex for me, definitely not looking to hold anything over the weekend. It's very volatile, very up and down, no real direction, no clear trend at the moment. It could be that we're setting into bigger ranges for the rest of the year. So yeah, I'm sitting on the sides today. I think not really interested in Forex right now. We'll have a look at the indexes now and see if there's an opportunity there. But there are a few little trades here. You're probably going to want to be down on the 15-minute, but keep your 8-hour levels in, and then adjust 50-minute levels accordingly. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.